Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Pathways Overseas. Myself Sumit Sharma and I belong to Panipat, Haryana. Thank you for watching our previous video Benefits of Studying Abroad. Today we will talk to topic tips and trick on read aloud. Let's start our topic. First of all, we will get a paragraph on any topic. It would be approximately 50 to 80 words. Then we will have to 30 to 35 seconds to read it and finding our mistakes in such case, how to pronunciate the word, how to get the accuracy of data, how to we improve our fluency, etc. and so on. Then we have to read it in mic, such as read aloud. Most students do common mistakes in doing this section. These mistakes are repeating the words, read slowly or fastly, wrongly pronunciate the words, speaks in mic after 3 or 4 seconds, and so on. Common mistakes that are done by students. Tips. First tip is that we should not repeat the words. If we have made any mistake, we should left it and go ahead. Because if we want to improve this mistake, we will get 0 marks in our fluency, and that works matter. Secondly, we will not read the sentence, read the paragraph in too slowly or too fastly manner, because if we speak too slowly or too fastly, we will get 0 marks in our pronunciation matter. Nextly, we have to read it in a proper manner as like we are talking to any human, our friend, our teacher, etc. This will correlate to our topic. Nextly, wrongly pronunciate the word. We should not wrong pronunciate the word because it will cut our marks in our test. Nextly, we should not left words that are something hard which we cannot understand. We have to read it in first 30 to 35 seconds, and then we should take care that we are not doing any wrongly mistakes there. Some students have common mistake that they speak in mic after 3 or 4 seconds. That would be not beneficial for us because after 3 or 4 seconds our mic will start not functioning and we will not record our voice in the speaker. So guys, these are some tips and tricks to clear out our read aloud topic. So guys, thank you for watching our video.